Do you need to change the units of measurement on your Mark 7 Volkswagen Golf? Then check out this video. Hi there guys, welcome to another Ross Perry Productions video and welcome to another video in this Mark 7 Volkswagen Golf GTI. Now in this video I'm going to be showing you how to change the units of measurement on the car. So this can be the temperature, distance or speed. So nice and simple to do, and it's all done via this infotainment screen. So if you have this same screen, this is going to be the process for you. So like I say, nice and simple to do. We're just going to tap the menu button over there on the right hand side and scroll all the way to setup. Once we're in setup, we're going to go down just slightly and we'll see that one there called units. Just give that a tap. That's going to give us a whole load of options. So we can change distance from kilometers to miles. We can change speed from kilometers an hour to miles an hour. We can change the temperature from Celsius to Fahrenheit. We can change the volume from litres to gallons UK or gallons US, bearing in mind that's slightly different. And then we've got our consumption there as well. So we can have it litres per 100 kilometres, kilometres per litre, miles per gallon for US or miles per gallon for UK. And then of course we've got our tyre pressure there, which we've got kPa, bar or PSI. So whichever one you are more familiar with, you can change that. And when you go and select a new one, as soon as you hit back, that's already updated for you. And there we go, a nice, quick, simple video for you today. If you found that video interesting or helpful, please do give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below. Check out some of my other videos and subscribe to my channel.